morning, beautiful people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. As you all can tell, I have already made my coffee for the morning. I'm already up and at it. The boys are already off to school. Today I think is going to be a quite productive day. At least I want it to be. I have 3 things that I want to accomplish today. I think 3. Number 1, I want to fold clothes and organize. Okay, so my brother moved to Washington. I'm sad. So my brother moved to Washington, D.C. with his girlfriend. So he went through his closet and he has about 3 bags of clothes that he wants me to go through for my son. If y'all do not know, I have a 13-year-old son. He is a very big and growing boy. He's slim, but he's very tall. So some of the clothes that my brother does not want, he gave me 3 bags to go through. My plan is to go, I can't talk this morning. So my plan is to go through those 3 bags to see what he can fit, what I like, what I don't like, and then either donate or move along to another relative. So that's number 1. Number 2 is I got my iPhone in the mail a couple of days ago. If you all don't know, my husband bought me the iPhone 13 for Christmas. It came early. The date said November 27th through December 15th, but literally got here in like 3 days, and I got the baby blue color. So I'm going to go, the plan is to go through my old phone, erase, delete, back up, and then transfer everything over to this phone and activate it. That's number 2. Number 3, I want to clean my bathroom really good on today. I mean, my bathroom for some reason holds a lot of dust and I can't do it anymore. So I want to bleach, dust, wipe, clean, all I can do in this bathroom. I do need to go actually wash the rugs and all of that. You know, it's just a lot to do. So if I don't get all of it done today, it will get done eventually. But those were the 3 things that I wanted to get done on my list, as well as edit some vlogs. So I'm just throwing some things out there. Besides that, I'm about to enjoy this coffee. And first on the list is to start on his phone, because my old phone has 64 gigabytes of memory on it. And it's full. It's been full for the past like month or so. I can't really do anything with this phone, so I'm gonna try to delete and back up all of that now. So I'm gonna get started on that. This is the phone that I got. I did not want the Max. My hands are rather small, I consider, and that Max would have just been too big for me. So I went from the 11 Pro to the 13 Pro. I did not do the 12. So this is the 13 Pro. I did not want the Pro Max. So if you all don't know, they made the boxes slimmer and you don't get a charger or headphones. So yay us, we pay all this money and we get less. But anyway, I consider my husband a blessing. I have not had to pay a phone bill in the last probably like 10 years. It's been a long time. I have not paid a phone bill. But he's blessed me in that area. He upgraded it. It was 128 gigabytes was like $6 cheaper than the 256 gigabytes. So I went with the 256. So yeah, that's what we're working with. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. And yeah, let's get into it. She's beautiful. Oh, she's beautiful. First of all, look at the side detail. Can y'all see that? Look at the, look, my fingerprint already on there, but just look at it. Why is that popping out? I don't know. Well, that's the power button. Oh my God. But look at the camera. Oh, it's just so sleek. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh my God, look at that. And then you get the charging cable, the little booklet. That's it. No adapter. It is what it is. So hopefully you guys can see it. I can't see if you guys can see it, but anyway, she is super sleek. I'm loving the detail. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. And then no more clear screen protector up front. You got that. Should we power her on? I think we should. Let's power her on. Hopefully she comes on. Hopefully she don't need no. She is gorgeous, y'all. I think I'm gonna wait because I want to clear some stuff off of this phone. So this is my old phone. I have to trade her back in. I mean, I have to give her back. But this is my old phone compared to this phone. Let's see if it's the same size. Almost. Almost. So let's delete some things from here. And yeah, but this is how she's looking. y'all, I am fresh and clean out of the shower. And while I was in the shower, I got a notification from my leasing office saying that I had a package. And this is what I got. This box here. And inside is this box. And let me show y'all the shoe. Now, backstory on this shoe, I bought the black pair maybe like 6-7 months ago, and I'm obsessed with them, like obsessed. And I've been waiting on another color to go down in price because they're like $100. So I got these on sale for $60, y'all. Look at them. Oh, they're called the Nike, I think they call the Waffle Runners. It's called the Nike Waffle Racers 2X, whatever that means. But the black was like these. I'll show them to y'all, or I'll insert a picture somewhere around here. But these are fire, y'all. Just look at them. They fire. The sole. Oh, that's the back. These shoes fire. Not a winter shoe, but they fire. Fire.